27 crore, 26 crore, 23 crores? Well, IPL 2025 is nothing less than a bidding war because franchisees went all in for the biggest cricketing superstars. And guess what? We have a new record. Now, Rishabh Pant is the most expensive player in IPL history. But was he worth it? And who else made it to the list of expensive players of this year? Let's find out in this video. From power hitters to deadly bowlers, let's break down the top 10 costlier players of this IPL season and how they can change the game for their teams. Welcome back to my channel Finance with Kirti, where we talk about finance in a very simple language. So if you're new to my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I keep on making this kind of informative content for you all. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin the video. So as I have mentioned in the beginning that in this video we're going to talk about top 10 expensive players of this IPL 2025. So we're going to start the list with the man who has made a new record. So I'm talking about Rishabh Pant from Lucknow Super Giants, who has created a new history with 27 crore prize. The most expensive player in IPL history. So Lucknow Super Giants have break the bank to get Rishabh Pant at 27 crores. After recovering from injury, Pant has set to make a strong comeback as Lucknow Super Giants captain and wicketkeeper batsman. With over 3,200 IPL runs, his aggressive batting makes him a game changer. But 27 crores is a huge amount. So what do you think? Is it a smart move? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's talk about our second player, who is Shreyas Iyer with 26.75 crores, and he's from the team Punjab Kings. So this year Punjab Kings made a massive move by signing Shreyas Iyer at 26.75 crores. Fresh off leading KKR to their IPL 2024 victory, Iyer's leadership or middle order batting will be crucial for Punjab Kings. Can he lead Punjab Kings to their first ever IPL trophy? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about the third player. Venkatesh Iyer, 23.75 crores. He's in the team which is my personal favorite, which is Kolkata Knight Riders. Another Iyer made the list. With a solid T20 strike rate and the ability to deliver in crucial matches, for sure Venkatesh Iyer is going to be a valuable asset for KKR. Coming to number 4, Arshdeep Singh, 18 crores. He is also from the Punjab Kings team. Young Indian pacer Arshdeep Singh has been a rising star in IPL matches. So Punjab Kings have invested heavily by their pace attack by securing him for 18 crores. His ability to bowl in the difficult overs and swing the balls makes him a key player. Number 5, Yuzvendra Chahal, 18 crores, same team, Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings weren't just only done spending. They also picked up India's top leg spinner Yuzvendra Chahal for 18 crores. With a history of match-winning performances, his spin attack will be a threat to every batting lineup. And now let's talk about number 6, Jos Buttler, 15.75 crores, Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans secured England's exclusive opener Jos Buttler. With his aggressive batting and experience in pressure situation, he is expected to be a game changer for Gujarat Titans. Now let's talk about number 7, KL Rahul for 14 crores, Delhi Capitals. KL Rahul is known for his consistency. He has joined Delhi Capitals for 14 crores. With over 4,600 IPL runs and the orange cap in 2020, he'll add a firepower to Delhi Capital for batting order. And now let's talk about number 8, Trent Boult with 12.5 crores, Mumbai Indians. Well, I must say Mumbai Indians has made a smart move by getting New Zealand star pacer. His ability to strike in power plays make him a dangerous bowler. Now let's talk about number 9, Jofra with 12.5 crores Rajasthan Royals. Well, Jofra is back in action with Rajasthan Royals, known for his spiky pace and deadly yorkers. He'll be playing a crucial role in Rajasthan Royal bowling attack in this season. And last but not the least, Josh Hazlewood with 12.5 crores, Royal Challengers Bangalore. So RCB secured Australian speedster Josh Hazlewood for 12.5 crores. Definitely his pace and skills will make him a strong addition to the team. So this is the list of top 10 most expensive players of this IPL season 2025. Apart from these 10 cricketers in the list, I know you guys must be waiting for 2 more cricketers who are our personal favorites, and we are waiting to see them back on a screen. One is Virat Kohli and the other one is MS Dhoni. So for the IPL 2025 season, Virat Kohli was retained by Royal Challengers Bangalore for 21 crores. He has been a part of this team since its inception in 2008. And now if we talk about CSK has successfully retained our personal favorite cricketer MS Dhoni. So how excited you are, do let me know in the comment section. So before ending this video, let me tell you about the 2 most successful teams so far in this IPL season. So number 1 is Chennai Super Kings and number 2 is Mumbai Indians. So they both have won the IPL trophies for 5 times. Hence they are the most successful teams so far in IPL history. So do let me know which team is your personal favorite. So who do you think was the best buy for this season? Let me know in the comment section. And which team made the biggest mistake? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you can get the notification of all future videos, because I keep on making this kind of informative content related to finance for you all. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family who used to watch IPL matches every year. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy IPL season.